Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Acuity Scheduling, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you block off time in Acuity Scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to block off time in Acuity Scheduling anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to go on vacation. Maybe you're going to Portland, Oregon for a week to go to Oaks Park and you're going to ride the Monster Mouse. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Acuity Scheduling, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and block off time, here on the left menu, you're going to click on Availability. Once you do that, you're going to see all the calendars you have in Acuity. However, to block off time, you're going to click here on Block Off Time. It's a button here on the top left. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this little pop-up. So by default, you're going to be able to block off one day. So you can click right here and then choose the date. If you're going on vacation for multiple days, you can click right here, block multiple days, and then choose the date. Let's say from the 8th all the way until the 15th. And then you can go ahead and block off calendars. So you can do one calendar or all of your calendars. If you want to block off time in hour segments, uncheck this, block multiple days, choose the date, and then choose the time block. So for example, 11 until let's say 3 o'clock. Okay, and then we're going to click here, block off time. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes and you're going to see this successfully blocked off for this time period. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to block off time in your Acuity Scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.